find dy dx for exponent for x times x squared y plus 1 equals to 1. So let's copy down the question. Exponent for x squared y plus 1 equals to 1. So for the first step, I'm going to bring exponent for x to the right hand side. You don't have to if you don't want. It's just I'm going to avoid using the product rules twice. Okay, this is the u, this is a v, so I'm going to avoid it because for x squared y you need to use another product rules, right? Okay, so if I bring my exponent for x to the right hand side, it's going to be 1 over exponent for x. And if you use the indirect rules, 1 over a to the power of m is going to become a to the power of negative m. So for 1 over exponent for x, it's going to be exponent negative 4x. Then we're going to use the product rules. For x squared y. So this is my u and this is my v. So using the product rules, u x squared v prime, which is the y, so differentiate y with respect to x is dy dx, plus v, which is y, and differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x. Don't forget to differentiate 1, which is 0, equals to, and differentiate exponent negative 4x, we need to differentiate negative 4x with respect to x, which is negative 4 exponent negative 4x. Now, let us bring this term to the right hand side. X squared dy dx equals to negative 4 exponent negative 4x, and I expand this, it becomes minus 2xy. Then let us cross multiply x squared to the right hand side. Negative 4 exponent negative 4x minus 2xy divided with x squared. Or you may write down as dy dx equals to negative 4. If you notice that exponent negative 4x is x squared y plus 1. So we have negative 4 x squared y plus 1 minus 2xy divided with x squared. So that is the answer for exponent for x times x squared y plus 1 equals to 1.